Hello guys, we are here in Almorjan Center. We just finished our lecture on conscious sedation. It is past 1 p.m. already, so everybody's hungry and we don't have lunch here, so we are preparing to go to take our lunch. We are still undecided where to go, so we prefer the nearest restaurant from here. After 10 to 15 minutes of travel, guys, we are here in Sura. This is a fine dining restaurant, Korean fine dining restaurant. So the place is exquisite and calm. For now, they don't have customers yet, so the place is ours. This is the first floor. So here you can see the table with the chandelier. It looks amazing. And you can see some paintings and some Korean decorations. It's very nice actually. We are supposed to be here in the first floor, guys, but we are a lot, so we'd prefer to go to the next floor because this area is not enough for us. So let's go upstairs. So guys, akyat kami kasi hindi kami kasya doon sa table sa baba. Kasi hanggang 8 lang. So we are 11, kaya doon kami sa taas. Okay, it will be on the second floor. Tingnan nyo guys. So nice man din. May mga paintings pa sila dyan. It is my first time actually to be here, guys. So maganda din talaga. From here yun makikita mo along the hallway papunta sa second floor. And then, before ka makadating sa second floor, ito yung makikita nyo guys. Yan. So, malawak siya dito actually. And then, mayroon pa silang mga display corner ng mga previous na mga Korean utensils. So, you can actually feel relaxed here and calm, and actually may music po, kaya lang dahil sa copyright issues, so ni-mute ko itong ating vlog. Then kung konti lang kayo, meron siya yung mga areas na kung 4 lang kayo or 2, yan, may mga rooms. And then you can also borrow this Korean costumes. Here may mga ano sila, tea, different kinds of tea. If you'd like to buy, you can buy actually here. Yeah, there's a lot of kinds of tea. And I think that is good for the health, no? And so, of course, dahil gutom na kami, we need to order now. I'm not very familiar with the Korean cuisine, but yung mga friends ko, well, maano talaga sila yan. Alam na alam nila yung mga menus, so I leave the orders to them. While they are ordering, guys, so I have to go around the place and document the place. So yan po. What can you say about the place, guys? It's really nice, right? Yeah, once in a while we need to explore something new, right? So they before our order comes, they offered us some tea. I think what they offered us is rice tea. The taste is different, but it's also okay. So we are still waiting for our orders. We are also waiting for our other friends to come. Tea.
So this is the tea they offered, guys, with some congee
Tsaka may salad.
and some appetizer.
So,
This is my first time actually to eat congee. Tastes nice. If you're hungry, anything is nice actually. And you see they offered us a lot of appetizers.
too much.
Yeah, I think eight kinds. So our friends came already and it's eating time, of course. But before anything else, we need to smile to the camera. Say cheese, everyone. Happy eating. It was actually a very nice time with them. To be sharing food with them, I mean, after this seminar, if you're hungry, it's time to relax and enjoy before another day of work. So ito yung mga in-order namin, guys. Yan. It was a lot of chit-chat, Having your colleagues outside and in the hospital, it's a different thing. So, ayan guys, everybody's busy eating na. Dahil yun nga, gutom na ang lahat. We have only soup. Yummy. Food is life. Always.
Meron pa dito, oh. Ay, wala pa sila ng Carla ganyan, oh. Ito, Carla, bibigay mo na. Para sila doon. Ay, baka maisasangla to. Pwede dito, oh. Kay... Luto namin. Itong karne niya, luto namin. Mga gulay lang naman. Pwede na yan siguro. Gulay na. Meron pa dito. Ito man ako. Haloperidol. Hindi, may malaki. Ang malaki kaya ang ano mo. Ito. Hindi ko ito inano. Haloperidol kaya yan. Sa pansit yan. Sa pansit niya. 3 man yung binigay.
After we've done eating, guys, we borrow the Korean costume and we do the costume thing. Here, look! Medyo masikip nga yung aking costume, guys. Alam niyo naman, medyo chubby si Host. Yan, cute namin dyan. Ano lang, nakakatuwaan lang, di ba? Once in a while, even na medyo matanda na tayo, we need to keep our child side with us. So, ito pa yung mga ibang videos. Dun sa resto while the waiter is adding soup to our noodles. So, of course, alam niyo na pag vlogger, dapat naka-document lahat. Ano yung mga food namin.
Para magkagulo sila.
Just enough actually for us kasi nga madami kami.
Pataasan sila ng init. Wala na tayo.
Hindi siya ganun kadami. So, iyan pa yung mga pictures kong nakuha kanina sa place for documentation purposes. Maganda talaga actually ang place, as in. Sulit din yung binayad mo doon. Hindi siya ganun ka-expensive in the relation sa quality ng food na ni-serve nila sa amin. So, it was indeed a very good day to be in such place. Selfie-selfie lang. Yan yung first nila na in-offer sa amin kanina prior ng pagdating ng orders. Of course, hindi mawawala ang group pictures and more pictures and more pictures. Food-wise, kung i-review ko guys, siguro mga 8.5 kasi yung soup nila is a little bit sweet. So, hindi ako masyado actually sa soup na sweet. Medyo nadamihan actually yung spices na maging sweet siya. Pero otherwise, all the other things na in-order namin, the taste is just right and okay. We have actually a lot of pictures for this Korean costume and we feel it like Korean, of course. See? Do you think you are okay here? I mean, we look nice. I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog today, guys. And if you have gone this far, please don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel, Pink Mom RN. And don't forget to press your notification bell so you'll be notified if I have new videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. God bless everyone. See you in my next vlog. Bye.